This is an unboxing video for grown-ups because kids get to do it all the time. So now we get to do it and see what Mommy got. Yay, who's excited?
I am.
Okay, cool.
And my brother is having a race.
Yeah, we got lots of cars out here, so that's happening too. But today is Mommy's unboxing video day. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to see what I got. Oh man. Box number one. Technically a bag. Oh, new jeans, you guys. Thank you. This is so exciting.
Nobody gave you.
That's right, I bought this myself. That's okay. All right. Who's excited about this one?
I am.
Unboxing number two. Let's see what's in this one. The nice thing is, though, I did buy my own stuff, that I did get paid to do it. So that was good. These couple things I bought are from partner stores that will pay us commission to buy from them. So kind of a win-win. Stuff I need or want. Oh yes, look at this one. I thought of you for this. The color green. Ta-da, ta-da.
You thought about me?
I did.
It looks so good.
I got that shirt on a commercial on my tablet.
Did you?
Yeah.
See, then this is good. I'm in good company then. All right, last bag of my unboxing. What do you think is going to be in here? You think it's going to be a new toy?
Oh.
No. New clothes.
You think it's clothes again?
Yeah.
Let's see. Do you guys get excited when you get clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah? You guys actually do. Pretty good. You like this? Oh yes, look at this is also green. Oh, I'm on a theme here. Look at this green athletic coat. Ooh, what do we think?
It has a hood
It does have a hood.
and a zipper.
And it does.
It's
Yeah,
really
and
nice.
it's pocket- Oh, thank you. It's got pockets and little thumb holes for your fingers.
Oh yeah, I like that.
And if it doesn't fit, I'll just return it to the store. But they looked really nice online, so I thought I would buy them, use some gift cards, and earn some commission points. So my last guy is a box. This is an actual true unboxing. Let's reveal what's in this box. Okay. All right, so this one we've got, oh yes, my vitamins. My isotonic vitamins, very essential. These are the essential kit actually. The antioxidant, a multivitamin, a B and a calcium, and a vitamin D. Very nice. To our health, yes?
Yes.
Okay, oh my gosh, that was super exciting. Did you guys love that? I mean, was this not exciting
Yeah.
to open all this stuff? Yeah, okay. Well, thanks for shooting it for me, girly.
You're welcome.
Anything else? Is that pretty good?
I think that's all.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Subscribe to our channel. Bye. We'll get some more videos in.